Today I will be sharing with you classdojo.com. ClassDojo is a real-time behavior management and tracking tool that is quick to set up, easy to use, and completely free. ClassDojo helps improve behavior, it will engage your students, it tracks data, and it uses real-time feedback to improve behavior. So the first thing you need to do when going to ClassDojo is signing up for a teacher's account. Since I already have an account, I will go straight to my home page. You will notice that I have several different classes set up already. When you open an account, you will need to start and add your first class. Go ahead and select the grade you teach, the subject area you teach, and name the class. So now that you've done that, you go ahead and import student names, and you can do that one by one. Or you can copy it from a list. I always think having a list of your student names is always beneficial. So I have one already made for my class. So these are some of my kids. You go ahead and highlight them and copy that list. And then go back and paste that list. Add all these students and there's your class. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and click next. And now you see some of the behaviors, and you can customize these behaviors. You could add your own. You can put the behavior you want. You can change the little icon that appears, or maybe you don't want some of these behaviors. You can click it, edit, delete it if you like. Same thing for the needs work. You can add your own, or click it, edit it, and delete it. So now that our class is done, this is the class that I just created. Now you can go ahead and assign points, award them points. Do that one by one. Sometimes you might want to award several students at once, so you can just go ahead and click them, give award, and say they were all working hard. Maybe you want to give awards to every single student. Let's say they were all on task. So they would all get an award. Maybe some student needs work. Maybe they didn't bring their homework. So that applies the same thing with multiple students. So let's say they were off task climbing around. Now you can see that the positive points are showing up. Let's say you didn't want to have that shown. You could go to display settings and click on don't show points, and now the points will not be shown. You could also have them shown as separate totals. They're positive and they're negative points. I usually just have it as don't show, that way they're not worried about how many points they're earning. Now, one of the things that you could also do is that at the end of the week, at the end of the day, you can see how the kids did for that time period. So with the activity that I just did, I can see that 85% of the awards were positive, which is great. A majority of kids were on task. Here you see that they're working hard, and some kids were off task. So this is a really good visual to even show the kids. I like to show them at the end of the day how they did as a class. You could also invite your parents to be part of this. That way they can get a daily report on how their kids are doing. You just click on this invite parents and students tab. You what you're going to end up doing is printing some invitations for parents to go online, go to ClassDojo as a parent, and they would submit this code which is linked to your account, and then that way kids parents can see how their child is doing as far as behavior. Students are also given a code, that way they can also see how they're doing. I like to give it to them when they reach a certain amount of class dojo points, that way they can go ahead and change their avatar if they like. Um, so basically this is class dojo. I hope this is a something that you're prepared to start. It's not that difficult to use. All you have to do is sign up, get an account, make a class, and that's it. And play with it, and you'll definitely enjoy it. Hope you enjoy this.